High Achiever Society Review. Is this AI-powered affiliate marketing community actually worth your time, or is it just another program making big promises? If you've been searching for an honest review before joining, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down exactly what High Achiever Society teaches, how it works, who it's designed for, the pros and cons, and whether it's a smart investment for beginners or experienced affiliate marketers. Let's be honest, affiliate marketing isn't as easy as some people make it sound. Many beginners spend months creating content, trying different strategies, watching countless YouTube videos, and still struggle to generate consistent commissions. Then there's AI. Every week, there's another AI tool claiming it can automate your business. So where does High Achiever Society fit into all of this? That's exactly what we're going to find out. High Achiever Society is an online mentorship community created by affiliate marketer Philip Johansen. Instead of teaching members to build their own products, the program focuses on high-ticket affiliate marketing. That means promoting premium digital products or software that may pay significantly larger commissions than traditional low-cost affiliate offers. Another major focus is AI. The training shows members how artificial intelligence can help with tasks like writing marketing content, creating emails, generating social media posts, organizing marketing workflows, producing ideas faster. The goal isn't to replace your marketing skills, it's to help you work more efficiently. But here's the part that really makes this program different. Unlike many affiliate programs where you're responsible for everything, including closing sales, High Achiever Society introduces a different model for eligible offers. Here's the basic process. First, you learn how to attract interested prospects using content, social media, and other digital marketing strategies. Next, those visitors become leads. For certain offers included in the ecosystem, professional sales teams may handle consultation calls and assist with closing qualified prospects. That means your primary role is generating targeted traffic and qualified leads, not becoming a high-pressure salesperson. For many beginners, that removes one of the biggest obstacles to promoting higher-priced offers. Of course, success still depends on your ability to attract the right audience consistently. No training program can guarantee results, so what can you expect inside the training? While the exact curriculum may change over time, the core topics typically include how high-ticket affiliate marketing works, choosing suitable affiliate offers, creating content that attracts potential buyers, using AI tools to speed up content creation, building lead generation systems, email marketing basics, automation strategies, and understanding customer journeys before someone makes a purchase. Rather than relying on one traffic source, the overall idea is to build repeatable marketing systems that continue generating leads over time. Pattern interrupt. But here's something many reviews don't mention. Learning the material is only one part of the equation. Actually implementing it consistently is where most people either succeed or quit. Based on what's included, High Achiever Society may be a good fit if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, are interested in using AI to improve productivity, prefer promoting existing products instead of creating your own, like the idea of building marketing systems instead of chasing quick wins, and you're willing to spend time learning and applying new skills. On the other hand, if you're expecting instant income with little effort, or you're looking for a guaranteed way to make money online, this probably isn't the right mindset. Like any legitimate business model, affiliate marketing takes time, testing, and consistent execution. So far, we've covered what High Achiever Society is and how it works. But does it actually provide value? In the next section, we'll look at the biggest pros, the potential drawbacks, pricing, and whether I think it's worth considering before you join. Now let's talk about what stands out. One of the biggest advantages is the focus on high-ticket affiliate marketing. Instead of relying on dozens of small commissions, the training teaches a model built around promoting premium offers. That means fewer successful sales may generate more revenue than a large number of low-priced products, depending on the affiliate program. Another positive is the emphasis on AI-powered productivity. Rather than staring at a blank page, members learn how AI can help brainstorm ideas, draft marketing content, create emails, and streamline repetitive tasks. I also like that the program focuses on building systems, not chasing shortcuts. The goal is to create repeatable marketing processes that can continue generating leads over time. But no program is perfect. Let's look at the other side of the story. High Achiever Society isn't a magic solution. If you're completely new to affiliate marketing, there will still be a learning curve. You'll need to understand how to create content, attract visitors, build trust, and stay consistent. Another consideration is the monthly membership cost. Before joining, make sure it fits your budget and your long-term learning goals. Also remember, AI can help speed up your workflow, but it won't replace good marketing strategy, audience research, or consistent effort. Success still depends on how well you apply what you learned. So, is High Achiever Society legitimate? Based on the available information, it appears to be a genuine online mentorship community focused on affiliate marketing and AI-assisted marketing workflows. It provides educational training, tools, and systems designed to help members build marketing skills. That said, no educational program can promise specific income or guarantee success. Your results will depend on several factors, including your experience level, the amount of time you invest, the quality of your marketing, your consistency, the affiliate offers you promote. Whenever you evaluate an online business opportunity, it's always a good idea to review the current training, pricing, and membership details before making a decision. Overall, High Achiever Society appears to offer a structured approach for people who want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing while using AI to improve productivity. If your goal is to build long-term marketing skills rather than chase overnight success, it's a program that may be worth researching further. Just remember, treat it as education and training, not a shortcut to instant income. That's the mindset that gives you the best chance of success. If you'd like to learn more about High Achiever Society, I've included the official link in the description below so you can explore the latest details for yourself. And if you've already joined or you're thinking about it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below. What interests you most about high-ticket affiliate marketing? If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest affiliate marketing reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.